Enjoying the park. It is a sunny afternoon and Anna and Mike are spending their day at the park. The sun is shining brightly and the sky is clear. Anna is sitting on a bench and reading a book. She is enjoying the story and turning the pages slowly. Mike is riding his bicycle around the park. He is going fast and having fun. Nearby, children are playing soccer on the field. They are running and laughing as they kick the ball. The goalkeeper is trying to stop the ball, but it is too fast. A group of teenagers is sitting on the grass and chatting. They are listening to music and sharing snacks. Under a big tree, a family is having a picnic. The parents are spreading a blanket and the kids are unpacking the food. They are eating sandwiches and drinking juice. The mother is cutting a watermelon and everyone is smiling. Not far away, an ice cream vendor is serving a group of kids. The children are choosing their favorite flavors and the vendor is scooping the ice cream into cones. The kids are eating their ice cream and enjoying the cold treat on a hot day. Birds are flying in the sky and people are jogging along the path. Some are walking their dogs and others are just relaxing on the grass. Everyone is enjoying the beautiful day at the park. Here's a short and simple explanation about the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now or around the current time. Structure. Positive. Subject plus am, is or are, plus the verb in its ing form. Example: I am reading a book. She's cooking dinner. They are playing soccer. Negative. Subject plus am, is or are, plus not, plus the verb in its ing form. Example: I'm not watching TV. He isn't sleeping. We aren't going to the park. Question: am, is or are, plus subject, plus the verb in its ing form. Example: are you listening to music? Is she studying for the test? Are they coming to the party? When to use. Actions happening now. To describe something happening at the moment of speaking. Example: she's talking on the phone right now. They are playing in the park. Keywords: now or right now. Example: I'm writing a letter right now. At the moment. Example: they are studying at the moment. Now it's time to practice. Repeat after me. Anna is sitting on a bench and reading a book. Anna is sitting on a bench and reading a book. Mike is riding his bicycle around the park. Mike is riding his bicycle around the park. Children are playing soccer on the field. Children are playing soccer on the field. A group of teenagers is sitting on the grass and chatting. A group of teenagers is sitting on the grass and chatting. A family is having a picnic under a tree. A family is having a picnic under a tree. They are eating sandwiches and drinking juice. They are eating sandwiches and drinking juice. The ice cream vendor is serving a group of kids. The ice cream vendor is serving a group of kids. Birds are flying in the sky and people are jogging along the path. Birds are flying in the sky and people are jogging along the path. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you practice with our videos, you get closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get more of our lessons.